Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix error code 277 on Roblox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So there are some reasons why that problem may occur. So first reason is if your app is not updated. So to check that, you're going to go to your app store, go to search bar, type in Roblox, and see whether your app shows update at the bottom instead of open or not. If it shows update, go ahead, tap on it, and your app is updated and ready to be used without any errors. Next thing is checking out your particular network. If your network is not correct, not working properly, that can cause the app to shut down and have the errors occurring. Check the network and switch to another one if it's not working. Then once you have done that, you're going to go ahead and open up your Roblox app, add in your correct login details, and that should also help you out to use. If it's still not working, then press on hold and tap on delete and reinstall your app and re-log in to use it. That's it. That's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.